How we doing? Awesome.
This is a beautiful one.
You ever seen a Clydesdale?
You tell me.
You ever seen a Clydesdale?
They're twice the size.
You
Like
told
in
me
person?
knights were coming down,
Pretty
attacking me like
overwhelming.
that. In full metal
Dude,
armor.
no, seriously, no, like the movie portrays it very, very well. Because, I mean, dude, it became just a freaking mosh pit, dude, and it was just all money, and like you really see like
It was like the Battle
whole-
of the Bastards, right?
Yeah, sort of, but like it was just like a muddy slosh pit, and like the horses were falling down.
What movie was
this? It's The King. It's on Netflix. It's about Henry V. Incredible movie. Incredible movie. I loved it.
Well,
My suggestion to you is download it and watch it on the plane. That's what I did.
word. Oh well. Well, you know, yeah, the high ground have always been a concept, you know, throughout all of
Oh my
history.
God, yeah.
But what changed in the 20th century that's changed the idea of what the high ground meant?
easier
The
to hit.
invention of the fucking airplane.
Yeah.
And the reason why American technology will always be superior in war from now until ever is the fact that we have the ultimate high ground.
And we can launch them from anywhere in the world off aircraft
Anywhere
carriers.
in the world. And as of yesterday, we now have an official crest of our Space Force.
I know, I've seen that. That
And
was
so whenever you think of what
Like NASA, they sent us.
No,
Space
it's
Force
the Air
is,
Force.
it's a new military brand.
which I think is just absurd.
Okay, well, whenever you think about
You don't think that's absurd?
what the ultimate high ground is, what's the ultimate high ground?
The moon? Fuck. I don't
No,
know.
dude, fucking satellites, space. We have, no matter how high your plane flies, we have a piece of equipment on top of that that could outmaneuver it. And so you think of military strategy, it's always been the legacy of the high
I
ground.
think drones are incredible.
Yeah, drones, but you
You
can
can literally launch airstrikes
we
without a
could
human
shoot
being.
a drone out of the sky with a fucking satellite. With a laser, infrared lasers can actually shoot drones out of the sky from space.
This is we are in the district. Look, I think they got just all the military branches around the thing, because I think that's the Marines. If I'm not mistaken.
What you talking about?
No, Express. The Great War for Civilization. I don't know who that's from.
The Great War for Civilization, they're talking about the conquest of the Americas, pal.
That's probably
They're talking about genocide.
Manifest Destiny.
Yeah, genocide. Yeah, no, that's
Dude, think about it like this though. Think about it like this. So you're on the East Coast. You hear that there's land to the west. You go out there. Your family is raped, murdered. You want to do those people.
oh yeah, I mean, okay,
Yes.
that's reactionary.
I think the Trail of Tears is horrifying. You just gotta think though, bro. If you're a settler, your family's raped and murdered, like how do you react? Bro? You want to kill them.
I mean, but think about
think it's for what
we
human being, I'm
raped and
like, oh, it's
murdered a
horrible.
lot more than they did.
Yeah. We hated them. We hated them. They
Oh
hated
yeah,
us.
but I mean, like it was theirs first, and we came here. But the thing is, we needed to come here. Like we would not have all of this if it was still just them. So it was probably the ultimate necessary. Slavery. Those things completely, you know.
And I think it was horrible for what happened.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just
Yeah.
expansion, dude. I don't know.
Yeah, dude, it had to happen. It was necessary for human progression. You coming up here? All right, well, we can start walking. Actually, wait, G, I do want you to come up here. Here, Coop, come see. Hey, G, come here really quick. Yeah.
It's only 1 o'clock.
No, I just wanted to take a picture.
Oh yeah, that's okay.
Come on, G. Just come up here really quick. I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm just stand around it for like 2 seconds.
Oh, you gonna do your camera thing?
Yeah, that's what I did. Boom.
Done.
Y'all have a good one.
You too.
On this day, President of the United States, defending its cornerstone are the record recorded the names of the 26,000 Washingtons who, when the United States entered the World War. Oh, so this is like all the Washington people.
Yeah,
Who answered the call to the First World War.
Oh, so these are all the DC folks who died in First World
in the
War.
Army.
Gotcha. Cool.
And
Yeah, so it's the DC War Memorial.
yeah. Well, that's exactly what it says. I mean, that's exactly what Cooper said it was. The District of Columbia War Memorial. Yeah.
Pretty cool. Do you either go have the time?
Huh?
20.
Huh? What time is it? 1:20. What time do we have to like?
I'm not sure.
I just sent the text message out.
Mystic Crew of Louisiana. There are 11 hospitality suites open today. Event reminder: Mardi Gras Ball at 7 p.m. in International Ballroom.
I got page stuff.
You call
So
Mom.
do we have time to go to the?
I mean, we might have time to go there and do like a flyby.
Yeah, I mean, there's just a couple things in there I'd really like to go see.
All right.